takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
So next match will be start. So Rocco team 2. First ball go Ramani was to Umar. 2 runs. Oh, Emirates Transport to Rocco. Good fielding but 6 runs. Umar on fire. 6 runs. Ramani was to Umar. Straight off the ground, 6 runs. Back to back 2-6 in this over. Ramani was to so only 2 runs. Correct. 6 runs. Very good batting, Umar boy. 6 runs. 4 runs. End of first over, Emirates Transport 1 over 26 runs. Between 3-6-1-4. Very big shot. Umar is very well batting. New bowler is Rahul. Rahul 2. I think Javed. Oh, a single runs. So Umar to Javed. Good batting, Umar boy. Maybe 2 runs only. So that ball of second over. Rahul to Umar. Good bowling, good variation bowling, Rahul. Rahul to Javed, good batting, 6 runs. So Rahul to Javed, wide ball, bowler on, pressure, not a wide. Rahul to Javed. Only 2 runs. End of 2 overs, 38 runs, 0 wickets. Emirates Transport very well play. Umar and Javed to Subit. Umar to Subit at over of. Oh, out. Good fielding by Ramesh. Good comeback for Rocco team. So this is the turning of the match. Umar will be out. He is hitting more than 3-6 and 1-4. 10 balls, 30 runs. He is out. Gone. New batsman is Ahmad Rasul. Rasul to Arun Radhakrishnan. What a catch! Fielding last ball is fire and save this fielder. Good bowling. So Subit to Javed. Single run. So Rasul to Arun. Oh, nice fielding. So good bowling, dot ball. See this crowd of tournament. Transport end of 3 over 45 for 1 wicket. Remaining 3 overs. New bowler is Rahul. Rahul to Javed. Good bowling. Rahul to Javed. Dot ball. Good bowling. Rahul. So Rahul good bowling. Rahul to Javed. Good shot. But good fielding, only 2 runs. So Rahul to Rasul boy. Good bowling, Rahul. Only single runs. So Javed to 6 runs. Embrace transport of supporters. So Javed to Rahul. Dot ball. Good comeback. Over. Now 4 overs, 57 runs for 1 wicket. So Javed is very well batting. He is hitting 2-6 in 19 runs from 11 balls. So Jerin is bowler. Jerin to Rasul. Only single runs. So Jerin to Javed. He's attacked the bowling. Oh, look at Javed gone. Good bowling by Jerin. So new batsman is Javed. Only single run. So Jerin to Rasul. Fielding. Only single run. So Javed to Jerin. Good bowling by Jerin. Bowling. Short ball. So end of 5th over, last ball. Jerin to Javed. Oh, bowling. Over. Good bowling by Jerin. So end of 5 overs, 64 2 wickets. Emirates Transport. 1 over to go.
It's a chance for run out. Rasul out.
Out. Gone. So new batsman is Abu Javed. 6 runs. Back to back 6 off batsman. Bowler on pressure. Wide ball. Very batsman. Wide ball. So 2 runs. Only single runs. So end of first innings, last ball. 6 runs. 84 runs. So end of 6 over. Emirates Transport is 84 runs for 3 wickets. Very well batsman after Emirates Transport. Last 2 batsmen hitting last over more than 20 runs. Okay, we will see next inning.
Transport have piled up a run of 84 runs. Start of the second innings. First ball, the batsman tried to hit it on the leg side. It's a dot ball. That was very well bowled. That's been hit on the leg side and it's been dropped by the fielder. Chance for a double. Only one. Third ball from the bowler to the batsman. That has been hit on the leg side. It's going to a 6. It's a 6, massive 6 on the mid-wicket region. Nadim to Anup. That has been very well bowled by the bowler on the Nadim to Anup. That has gone high up in the air towards the long arm region, and that's been dropped by the long arm fielder. We will see whether it is a 4 or a 6. That has been given as a boundary by the Nadim to Anup right now. The batsmen have shuffled and he has tried to hit it on the square leg region. It is in the air and it falls in the no man land, and they take 2 runs. Job with this into the attack to the batsman Rahul. That has been bowled behind the legs. Javath to Rajiv. He swings it and misses it. Javath to Rahul now. The third ball. That was very well hit towards the long off boundary. and that has come to the outside the boundary line. To Rahul. That is a very well flighted delivery that's been hit towards the mid-wicket region. For Javed to Rahul now. He's in red hot form. That was bowled in a very good length area, and it's a dot ball. He has just given 1 run after that. Last ball of Javed's bowler. That was very well swept by the batsman towards the square leg. And third over from the bowler to Rahul. That has been hit towards the long on region for a single. That was very well bowled by the bowler. The batsman tried to shuffle and play, and it's a dot ball to Rahul now. Third ball of the over. That was bowled very well outside the off. There's a chance for a catch, and it's been dropped by the point fielder. And he tried to hit the striker's end, and they get an extra run. To Rahul. Again and again, he's been bowling very well outside. Uzair has given away 5 runs still now. He tried to bowl on the stump line, but the batsmen are not able to connect the ball. 1 run to the long. Uzair to Anup now. Anup has hit that on the air, and it's going to be a big wicket to Umar, and it's been dropped by Umar in the mid-wicket region. If he had taken it, that would have been a massive wicket. Rockford Royal Rangers require another 56 runs from 18 balls. New bowler into the attack. That was attacked. He was trying to attack the leg stump, and it was in the block hole. 1 run to the shot. New bowler, second ball to Rajiv. He just tried to hit it in the square leg region. Then Ayub to Rajiv now. That is so high up in the air. It is coming to the boundary, and that has been hit for a massive 6 on the long arm region. Ayub to Rajiv. He tried to hit it, and it's a top edge. It's been dropped by the keeper, Ahmad Rasool. Ayub to Rajiv. Again, that was pitched on the short pitch, and that was deposited into the stands in the country region for a 6. Ayub to Rajiv now. Oh, clean ball! He was trying, the batsman was swinging, the bowler was trying for the wicket. At the last, the bowler wins the battle and picks a wicket. Uzair to Anup now. The responsibility is on Anup to take his team over the line. That was hit into the leg side in the mid-wicket region. Now Uzair to Jarin now. He's facing his first ball. He tried to flick it, and the ball has been hit towards the short fine leg region. Another 2 more runs added to the total. Jarin now. That was very well bowled by the bowler. That has been hit towards the long off region, and it's been very well saved by the fielder Umar. Anup. That was very well bowled on the block hole. He tried for the helicopter shot, but he's not able to connect it. Uzair to Jarin now. 2 more balls to go. Again a helicopter shot towards the long off region. The fielder tried to attack the ball. Uzair to Anup now. He just flicked it towards the leg stump region. And that was very well fielded by the square leg fielder. Looks like that region has been given for the good fielders. Most of the boundaries or sixes have been fielded, very well fielded by those fielders who has been stationed at there. The new bowler Umar to the batsman. That has been hit very well deposited into the mid-wicket region for a massive 6. Starting the over with a massive 6. Umar to the new batsman. That was clean bowled by the Umar. That was bowled in the block hole. And that has been taken. Umar to the new batsman. That's a top edge, and it has been well held by the keeper. Now the bowler is on a hat trick. Umar to Ramesh Veda, the new batsman. Let's see if Umar could take a hat-trick. He swings it and misses it. It's a dot ball. Umar to Ramesh Veda. That has been hit on the offside in the point region for a single. Umar to Anup now. He just bowled on the leg side and the ball is dripping towards the boundary line, but that has been fielded. They don't take a single. End of the match. The match is won by the Emirates Transport by 25 runs, and the player of the match goes to Umar for his extraordinary performance of 29 runs of 9 balls and 1 over 2 wickets.